Hello everyone. So over here I'm just gonna do a quick unboxing of the iRobot Roomba's replenishment kit, which is the kit I'm having here is for model number 800 and 900 series. And over here, as you can see, I have the Roomba model number, I think 985, which is a Costco exclusive version of the 980. They share the exact same features, exact same internals. The only thing different between 985 and 980 is the included that little area blocking sensor. So it includes one less. So the kit is going to come with actually very nicely three replacement filters, one pair of the cleaning brushes, and two pairs of those little edge cleaning brush. We're gonna just take a look, open up the box and take a look and see what exactly is included. And I'll probably just replace the filter really quick because I already threw away my old filter, which actually lasted actually a few months. Because right after cleaning, I would take the filter out and I would use my vacuum, the actual vacuum, to vacuum out the dust from the filter. So I was able to keep the filter working for at least 1 to 2 months. But now it's at a point where there's just too much dust on the filter and it actually needs replacement. That's the reason I got this one. iRobot actually sells this kit, I think, for $50 on their website, which is a lot of money. I actually found that Walmart actually sells this for like a little more than $30. So I actually ordered it from Walmart and I picked it up in store. So I'll post the link for from where I bought it on the Walmart website, and I'll also include a Amazon link just in case you don't have a Walmart store nearby. So let's go ahead and take a package. Open up the package and see what exactly is inside. Now, since I've had this iRobot for a few months, I absolutely love it. It actually reduced our vacuuming and cleaning workload by quite a lot. So thank you so much for Roomba for making a wonderful robot to help us reduce our workload in the house. So as you can see right over here, that's the aforementioned two cleaning brushes. And by the way, those brushes are actually very easy to replace. They also come with one screws, actually two of the brand new screws for you to replace the old brush on the iRobot. And of course, over here is a pair of brand new cleaning brush. We're gonna compare this one and the one in my vacuum and see if the one in my vacuum needs replacement or not. Usually if you have some of the ridges ripped off, then maybe it's time to get a new one, but if the edges are just fine, you probably can still use your brush for a little longer. So over here is the filter itself. And with one hand it's kind of hard to open the packaging, but I'll try my best. So it's just gonna remove this tape over here, and then I should be able to try this out. So three brand new filters. Those filters actually, as I mentioned before, I vacuum them every time I finish. So every 2 or 3 days, I open up the vacuum box, I take it out, and I use just my traditional vacuum to just suck the air, suck the dust out from the underside. But Roomba recommends if you replace this filter every 2 weeks if you use the iRobot every day. So so keep that in mind. And super easy to replace. If you had those before, if you cleaned the filter before, you know what to do. Just pretty much drop it in, and boom, done. And you can close the door right over here, and your dustbin is and it's done. So let's take a look under the robot and take a look at the brushes, the condition of the brush, and the little edge cleaning thingy. So right over here is the edge cleaning little brush. So as you can see, it looks like mine is still in pretty decent shape. I mean, there's not much of the hair loss on the original brush, and it works just fine. It's actually extruding perfectly fine. And so I don't think I'm gonna replace those as of yet, but I'm definitely gonna keep those here. And make sure you don't lose that little screw that comes in plastic bag. So that is fine. I'm not gonna replace that. Take a look at those physical brushes, the main cleaning brush. And it comes with two different sides, two different colors. So up close. And as you can see, it actually held up pretty well. There's not much wear on those compared to the new brush. So I'll put side by side of the new brush, and let's take a look at this one. So as you can see, the old one is held up just fine. Not much damage at all. So I'm gonna keep using the old one and compare those two. Like where my finger is pointing, there's a little loose of the edge right over there, but very slightly. So I think if there are multiple areas that's losing the edge, maybe it's time to replace. But for now, I'm gonna keep using the old one until they're in pretty bad shape. Because so far the iRobot has been doing fantastic job, as I said before. So again, I'm gonna keep those aside. I'm gonna keep the extra filters aside, and I'm only gonna be replacing the filter right over here from the kit, which is already done. So this video is pretty much a quick unboxing, and let's put those brushes back. So another area, since we're already here, I want to mention, make sure you guys cleaning that area if you haven't done so already, is the little contrast detection area right over here. It detects the contrast between white and black. So it's just a very basic roller right over here. And you can probably see from here that the light is detecting things right over here. Just pretty cool that the camera actually records it. It's infrared, because so your eye couldn't see it, but the camera can actually pick it up. See this little roller? You need to make sure to pop this little pin out all the way, because usually there are a lot of hairs trapped inside the roller pin underneath it, because there's a little like edge underneath that you need to pop it out to get the hair out. Otherwise, it doesn't spin freely. So you need to make sure this little pin is actually spinning freely. It's most important. So there you have it. So just make sure all the areas is clean. There's no damage on all the parts, and then your Roomba should be good to go. And so far it has been working great, and I'm looking forward to having a few more years of usable life out of this little Roomba. And I have to say, the replacement kit at $30 a pop with a whole bunch of replacement kits, it's really a good value. I'm not even gonna bother getting the aftermarket filters, because you're gonna damage your engine pretty quickly with less filtration. Those filters actually is best engineered by iRobot to work with your vacuum cleaner. If you get anything aftermarket, it might just damage your machine. So keep that in mind. Even though aftermarket is so much cheaper, I wouldn't recommend that, and I would recommend just always get the genuine replacement parts, since it doesn't cost much. So there you have it. If you guys have any questions about all those replacement parts, feel free to ask me in the comments section. Otherwise, as you can see, I'm just going to leave those in the box for next time to use. And thank you so much for watching, and hope you guys have a great day, and take care.